AC Guy 1948 here. I think I'm about to have a cold. It feels like it's coming on. So I'm going to make this quick video before I start using these things because I'll have kind of said I'd do an unboxing of the next pair of boots I bought. And these are the last ones that I've been using, the ones I did the unboxing on. They're holding up alright. The insides are starting. I got a Dr. Scholl's, or yeah, I think it was Dr. Scholl's or something, cushion. I ended up putting in both of them. This one, the bottom of it blew out. So I was kind of looking for a new pair of boots. Up underneath, everything's holding up alright. I kind of hit it, and it's been the leather's fallen off of it. But these boots have not had an easy life that I've given them. So I'd say they held up pretty well. It's just the inside, and you can see the liner on the back is starting to rip out pretty good, and same thing with this one. So I don't know how well you can see that, but it's all coming undone. So I'm going to retire these from work, and I'm going to use them just out in the shed. Here's my old pair. I was going to use these out in the shed, but I just kind of started using those. But they both ended up getting the leather tears on them, and all this up underneath I really thought was going to start peeling off. It's all stayed on there. So we'll get to the point of today's video though, and that is a new pair of boots I bought. These are a little bit different. These are a little taller. They're dark leather, but just like the other ones, they're steel toe, waterproof, oil resistant, all that good stuff there, if you can see that. So we'll do a quick unboxing. Again, size 13. Feet haven't grown any. These were, what were they? They were like 80 bucks out the door, like 81 bucks with tax. And while these were probably around 75 with tax on them, I think they were like right at 70 or something. Maybe it was close to 80. I don't know. These were more. These are going to be more in the long run though. But it's a taller boot. I can't really see down in there, but it's got the same style of bottom on it, I noticed. So that should hold up pretty good. But it's actually like a leather material instead of this real fine leather. It's like big, coarse style. I don't know what else to say about it. It is steel toe. It's got about the same amount of steel toe as the other one, because right there on both are about where they stop. So they're just about the same in that. There's a little bit taller boot with the backing. So hopefully, I've never had boots this tall before. I've never had anything above that. So I'm going to give those a try and see if they give you more leg support or what. But I thought it was just time to switch it up a little bit. And then inside the box, some job rated paper and the other boot. So yeah, initially they look alright. I don't see anything that really stands out to me like they're gonna be bad. So, especially how good those other ones held up. I think these, I think I've had them for, I'm gonna have to look at when I did that video last, but I think about 6 months or so. So that's not too bad, and they're still usable. It's just they're starting to get a little uncomfortable after 6 months. But the little gel pads, I can't think of what they were called, Magellans or something, but I put those in there and they really helped extend the life of it, because the pads that come in them, I mean, they come with pretty nice pad. Well, let's see what these boots, well, I don't really want to take those out, because once you take these out, they never want to go back in, right? But yeah, that was a big thing I didn't like about them. The cloth starts coming off, and then you're stepping on that. And this one, I actually think I cut some of it off. But so yeah, that's just a quick little unboxing of Dickies. What are these? Brawn, I guess, is the name on them. Because I don't see I don't know what the other one. I don't know what these other ones said on them. But alright, that's going to do it for this video. Just a quick little unboxing. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Alright, here it is after one day of work. I did get sick. I was sick for about 5 days. So I've only gotten to use them once. I don't know if you can see that, but it's already starting to get ripped up a little bit. I don't know how well that's coming across on camera, but it's already starting to get little gashes in it and the leather's starting to peel. Hopefully it holds up good. They're comfortable. I really like them. I didn't know how I feel about the tall tops. You compare that to what I had been wearing, but I didn't know how I'd feel about the tall tops, but I like them. I just hope this leather holds up good. This stuff, yeah, it started flaking off, but that was after a long time it started doing that. So, we will see. But so far, I'm pretty happy with these boots. Yeah, they're pretty much the same tread up underneath. Same style. And I did look, it did say it came with the same style of pad. So that's going to last for a little while. So, they are pretty comfortable. So, alright, that's going to do it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.